Good morning, Joy. Today we are going to learn simple present tense.
I'm wondering.
Simple present tense is one of the fundamental aspects of English grammar. It's used to describe actions that are habitual, regular, or facts that are always true. Let me break it down for you. In simple present tense, you use the base form of the verb, the infinitive without to, for most subjects. However, for the third person singular, he, she, it, you add an s or s to the base form of the verb.
Teacher, please give me a simple structure and examples.
Sure. Structure is subject plus base form of verb plus object. For example, I play tennis. First person singular. She plays tennis. Third person singular.
Oh, it seems very easy.
Avenue. For negative sentences, structure is subject plus do slash does plus not plus base form of verb plus object. For example, I do not play tennis. She does not play tennis. And for question, structure is does plus subject plus base form of verb plus object. For example, do you play tennis? Does she play tennis? Simple present tense helps us express routine activities, general truths, and habits in English. It's one of the first tenses English learners encounter because it's so frequently used in daily conversations and writing.
Thank you very much, teacher.
Welcome, Joy. Bye.
Bye, teacher.